Why is my website slow? Part 7.
Let's talk about DNS. So DNS stands for Domain Name System, and you might not know what it means. So let me explain DNS with the help of a phone. Now, when you want to call a friend, all you do is type in the name and just dial. But that's not how phones work, and you already know it. You already understand that phone calls are made based on phone numbers, not names. And similar to this, when you go to a website, you type in the name of the website, but that's not how your browser finds the website. Your browser does something called a DNS lookup, which transfers the name of the website to its IP address, which is how you actually load websites. Now imagine this hypothetical situation. You dial a name on your phone and your phone takes more than 2 minutes to find what the actual number of the person is. You'd assume that the network connectivity is poor or your friend is busy, so it's not picking up. So technically you'll get the experience of a slow phone number, even though it's not actually slow. And this exact thing can happen on DNS as well. If the DNS service that is helping your website's name transfer over to its IP address is actually slow, you'll think that your website is pretty slow, but everything else might be correct. So let me actually show you how to find out if your DNS is performing well. So first thing obviously you need is your website, and I'm using WBeginner as a reference. Copy the name of your website and then go to this website, DNSPerf. The actual URL is dnsperf.com/DNSSpeedBenchmark. I'll leave it in the description and also in the pinned comment. And all you have to do is enter the domain name of your website, select the test you'd like to do. If you serve a worldwide audience, select world. Otherwise, you can select a continent or even a country, and then you can run a test. Now, here's the results for WBeginner, which I already have run. Look at the DNS performance. It's 4 milliseconds. It's 4 milliseconds, 12 milliseconds, 8 milliseconds, 4 milliseconds, which means WBeginner's name is being translated to its IP address in 4, 5, 10 milliseconds. That's lightning fast. Now, technically, there's no benchmarks on how fast DNS should be. It should be as fast as possible. But if you run this test and the time you see is above 200 milliseconds, 250 milliseconds, that's probably something to consider that you should optimize for. But how do you actually optimize your DNS? I'll cover that in a future video, so follow me for more website building advice.